Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm back. I got another unboxing and review here up on the channel. I'm sorry this one is so freaking late, man. It's like mid to end of February right now. I finally got in my order from the Fullsend November Drop from 2021 actually. Very Christmas related, which I thought that content was kind of done, but here it is, I guess. I didn't think it was actually coming in at this point. I was thinking about getting a refund, but it ended up coming in. They actually gave me a 50% off a future drop, so I appreciate that. It's a pretty big discount, just done sorry for the shipping delays that happened with this drop. So yeah, I'll just show you. This is a very quick, easy unboxing, so I'll just show you what I got. It's something pretty funny. So I picked up these Fullsend ornaments. It would have been nice to have these on my tree this year, but this past year, but obviously not happening. I guess next year it can be. So yeah, I just picked this up. It got some nice packaging here. It's got Fullsend ornaments right there. This is pretty jokes, with the Christmas snow and the trees, and then some more of the trees and the snowflakes there, which is kind of cool. It's got Fullsend ornaments 4-pack. It's got the style code and the barcode right over there as well. I'll show you how it looks. Kind of cool. It's got this kind of sparkly hang tag, I guess, and it's literally just got Fullsend on it in white and red. This is simple as it fucking gets, dude. I think they're pretty jokes. They're clean, I guess. Nothing crazy, but yeah, something interesting from the drop, I figured. And it was actually kind of packaged kind of cool. It had this red bow and stuff, which is kind of cool, that they tied up and you had to obviously untie it, which is nice. And thought it was just kind of something cool to have, I guess. Didn't really buy too much recently for Fullsend, but figured I'd throw it up on the channel in case you guys got anything, and maybe a discussion down in the comments of what you got. Did you have similar shipping delays and all that? So yeah, just a really quick review and stuff of this, and let me know if you actually ended up picking up anything from this drop when it came out. Did you experience the same sort of delays? I'm up here in Toronto, Canada, so yeah, obviously kind of makes sense. It's a little longer. They're out there in LA, so things must be nice over there. But I'm sure if you lived in the States, you probably had it sooner. But I still think I don't think many people got it during last year. Probably got it in January or something like that. So but yeah, let me know if you're planning to buy anything from Fullsend in the future. I don't think they have had one of their actual official drops yet. So I'll stay tuned for that. Now I have a 50% code, which is pretty dope. Thank you, Fullsend. And don't forget, before you leave, to consider leaving a like, commenting, subscribing, and turn that post notification bell down below as well. Let me know if you're enjoying the videos, if you have watched anything from the past, and if you want to check out obviously some reactions, challenges, unboxings, reviews. I have so much stuff here on the channel, so you can go check that stuff out if you want, and something quick and easy, you know what I mean? So I try and have a little bit for everybody, so I'm trying to focus on anything. So and yeah, guys, thanks for tuning into this quick and easy review. I'll just catch you in the next one. Take care, guys.